back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how to make black plantain chips. Of course it's green, but they call it black, so yeah. And all you need is your knife and your slicer. See, I love this slicer a lot. I bought it for just 3,500 naira, and the amount of chips I have done with this slicer, you do think I bought it for maybe 10,000 or above. But yeah, it comes in handy. It's very easy to use, and it gives you like the perfect slim size that everyone desire. So here it's how it is. It comes like so, and it has this white, okay, let me get it. So it has this, I don't know where my daughter kept, like there's a cover here. So it has this. You can just like when you're maybe you're doing potatoes or something, and it's already like too small for your hand to handle, for you not to scratch your hand, just put this on top, and it's very easy to use. So this is how it comes. It actually came with like a cute a can opener, not a can opener, a bottle opener. So it came with a bottle opener, and yeah, that's just like a free gift inside. But like I said, this is all you need: a bowl, knife, and your slicer. I have my oil already going on the stove, like it's already getting hot. So let's just quickly go on with this. I actually put my oil on the stove because I will be slicing this directly to my oil, all thanks to this. Okay, it's very sturdy. You just have to hold it like so, and you're good to go. So I'm going to just remove the skin, drop it there, and we'll just go ahead and slice into our heat. Okay, so it's simple. You might want to wear gloves if you are very concerned about your nails or your palm. That's if you are doing a lot. Trust me, if you are doing few, it takes like few seconds. So I don't think your palm is actually going to get that dirty. But yeah, I've already washed my plantain. Okay, so you just want to peel like so, yeah, like so, and just leave it there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and we'll start frying. Plantain chips is very easy to make, like very easy to make. The magic has to be your slicer. If your slicer is right, trust me, there's nothing there. Everything comes off easy. Okay, so you just want to continue taking off your plantain peel. I've seen some videos where people make plantain using the skin, like with the skin on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I would want to fry plantain skin anyway. If you talk about boiling plantains, I can boil my plantain with the skin. That doesn't mean I'm going to eat the skin. Okay, I'm not an adventurous person like that. But if you talk about frying, I don't see the reason why. But if it's healthy for you, if you feel like that nutrients is needed for you, go ahead and have it. So black plantain or green plantain, whatever you call it, have a lot of health benefits, and the major has to be the iron content. Like, you know now, iron. So I remember then when we were small, my dad would say my mom should boil unripe plantain for us to eat. So that's just like his own way of infusing iron into our body. So that's like, I feel it's okay. But yeah, we are making plantain chips because it's still school season, and your kids will definitely want snack for school. You will want some snack to take to work. I know plantain is quite pricey, but yeah, we can't do without it. So like so. So I'm going to finish this up, and I will be back. Okay.
She know how to season.
So now we are done taking out our plantain skins. It's time to fry. Like I mentioned earlier, I'll be frying directly into my heat. So here we go. I'll be going for the straight cuts for now. I'm actually going to divide this into 3 different cuts just to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going for the straight, the round, and the slant. I call it slant, though it still look like the round, but yeah, it just comes off differently. So let's go for the straight cut first, which is you just cutting it all straight, getting that, you know, the kind of plantain chips you eat in traffic. Yeah, that's the kind. So I'm just going to start cutting like so, and yeah.
Welcome to my channel, Temilayo and Mom, Temilayo and Mom. I wanna show you how it's done, all the commercial recipes.
Please avoid this method of cutting straight into your hair if you are a clumsy person, like if you can't handle it. Okay, mostly if it's your first time and you haven't done this before, please avoid it. It can be risky. Your plantain might just fall inside and the oil splash on you, or your cutter will fall inside. And yeah, just be careful, okay? Make sure you're doing what works for you. You can actually just slice this in a bowl and add it later, but I just enjoy doing this because of my new slicer. It works okay for me. Please take note and make sure you are safe.
Temilayo and Mom, Temilayo and Mom.
As usual, you know your chips is ready with zero moisture and well dried when the oil stop bubbling. So once it's like so, you can take it off, or better still, you can leave it for more or a few minutes just to get the right color that you want. But for me, it's perfect like so. I don't like it too brown, I like it just like so. So I'm going to take it off and then slice my next shape. I hope you are coming along. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all of my OG, thank you so much. I see your love, I see your views, your comments, your likes, and I so much appreciate it. And if this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. Thank you so stopping by. You're welcome to the family. Please do well to subscribe. Click on the like button, click on the bell beside your subscribe button. That way you'll be well notified whenever we come online with a new video. So as for the slant method, this is how I do it. I just slant it in a way, you know, the same way you want to fry your plantains when they are ripe. So that's the same pattern I go for when I'm doing my slant method. I like this method when you are putting in a jar to sell, and also the round method can go for that one as well. But if you're packaging in a nylon, I prefer to go for the straight method. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy watching.
She know how to season. She got all the flavors, make you fall in love. And now I can't get enough. She been with me for a while. She been my partner in crime. She taught me everything I know. She taught me everything I know. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and Mom. Temilayo and Mom. I wanna show you how it's done, all the commercial recipes. Show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the
So guys, tell me, if these 3 plates is set in front of you, which one are you grabbing first? Is it the straight one, the round one, or the slant one? Seriously, tell me, I want to know. So for all of you beautiful faces that is stopping by for the first time, I do make videos like this. You may want to check my channel. Go up on my bio, you will see a playlist, and it's all organized just to make it easy for you to navigate. Do well to check it out. There's snacks, Chinese cuisine, Nigerian food, Nigerian snacks, small chops. Do well to check it out, and I know you will enjoy being here. Thank you once again for watching. I will see each and every one of you in the next one. Bye bye.